What's up, Paradise Crew? I hope everything is well with you guys. We decided to have a super fun, action-packed thriller day at Volcano Bay. Oh! Guys, we're at a lot of stuff, but we may not be able to bring this camera with us because, you know, it's a water park. I can't get it wet. But we do have the GoPro with us, so we'll bring you along when we can.
When we can.
When we can. But you already know what time it is, guys.
Show 'em paradise.
Good morning, Paradise Crew. You haven't seen us since last night.
Hi, I know. We didn't end the vlog.
We didn't end the vlog, but I don't care. I don't care. You can't end the vlog each time. You can't. Check this out, guys. Universal has decided to spread out each parking spot with a little yellow minion cone. So
I love it.
I actually kind of like the space. We said this at Disney, how everyone's kind of separated and stuff. Hopefully if you come with 2 people, you can park right there, because that's not social distancing. And neither is that. So I kind of parked semi in the middle awkwardly.
Right, like don't park in front or behind me.
So,
I mean, there's plenty of spots, and they're limiting the number of people that come into the parks anyway, so the parking lot is not going to be full.
There you go. So we will see you guys when we get out of the loud parking lot and a little bit closer to the park. And we have made it to Volcano Bay, kinda.
Kinda. We have to get through the ticket.
The decor's kind of cool. It looks like I'm entering the Legends of the Hidden Temple again. Yeah, I love it.
And Cullen's doesn't work. Again, so we gotta go to the concierge to get a new one.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty though. Look at that.
So cool. But apparently we use these to get in line on some rides. We'll obviously have to wait because we gotta get it fixed. Also, I'm still unsure of like how the masks work with the slides. Some people aren't wearing masks already, so I just don't know. I don't know the rules. But if I don't have to wear this, I'm taking it off.
What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day here at Volcano Bay. Funny thing, this is my second time doing this because the recording shut off, and now I'm making sure it's on. But do you want to go to float the river?
Yeah.
We're gonna go float the river, so we're gonna switch to the GoPro. This has been amazing. We obviously can't bring this camera in there, but we'll see you guys at the river. Let's switch it up.
All right, guys, so just a little bit of information here. So we arrived about 9:30. So by the time we got on the bus and got over here, it was like 10 o'clock. It's a Sunday. We walked on pretty much every single ride.
Yeah.
Because there weren't long wait times. However, there will be long wait times, which is why you have these. The top 2, you go ahead and you put it next to your ride, and it'll tell you when you come back. So it's like a virtual line.
Yep, and it vibrates when you're ready.
So that is why we spent an hour in that river last time, because we had about 75 minutes to kill. So we just kind of, and it's nice that you're not just waiting in line for 75 minutes. Like you can go do other things. So that's real nice. You also use these to pay. So you just connect your credit card, and when you're out, you don't have to worry about cash or your credit card. You can just use this, tap it, and you purchase your meal.
Yeah.
And apparently there's pictures. So there are camera opportunities on each ride. So I'd be interested to see our photos or watch. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Oh.
I was just showing them the second river.
Oh, this is the second river.
Rapid river.
That. So you do this, and then that thing sprays water on people. So you just got all these people wet. But yeah, this is the lazy river, and the one we were on earlier was the rapid river, which was way fun. But we got to ride like all the fun.
All the slides except for the kiddie ones. But it was really fun.
And the clear drop. We didn't do the clear drop, mainly because we did the other drop and it hurt my back. Because it's a body slide, so it like stings. Yeah. So my back was all red, and I was like, I don't want to go through that again. So, yeah.
It was super cool being dropped that fast. Similar to the one on Norwegian
Escape. Yeah. Except it's way longer. And faster.
And that drop is, I feel like it's a little longer. I feel like I was dropping for a good minute.
Yeah. This blue ride though, this was one of our favorites today. It was fast. It's a tube slide. You can fit 5 people. And once you drop, it kind of just, it does one of these things. But it was fast, it was fun. And then the coaster was our favorite.
I think my favorite is probably the coaster. And the one that Alyssa just pointed out.
Yeah.
So those are my favorite too. And then I really like the rapid river. So super great day. Great day.
Great day. I'm sorry we couldn't really take you guys along with us for the whole time. Mainly because we can't bring cameras. So we just kind of had a little date day.
Right.
Just the 2 of us, no phones, no cameras, and it was very lovely.
Yeah, but if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment in the description or comment section below. Or if you want to book this experience, you can always reach out to Rose. So thank you, Rose. She's helping us do all this stuff.
Yep.
With the planning and stuff. But if you want to do this trip, go ahead and click the link in the description box below. Book the trip to Universal, or you can email Rose at WileyTravelGroup.com.
Yes. So fun. So now we're just going to get our stuff and go.
Our adventure week has come to an end.
It was so fun, but we have much more planned.
Oh, so much more fun.
So much fun.
Yeah, we haven't checked out our RV.
Yes. All right, floor's hot. Floor is lava.
Yo, guys. So, if you've never been to Volcano Bay, they have this giant wave pool or river that you get to just put on a life vest and you just float as long as you want. There's no line, it's super fast, and I'm about to go. We're in phase 1 of the river, the rapids. Come along with me.
Come along.
Come along. It's only going to get a little quicker. So relaxing though. Guys, earlier we did this for about
an hour.
And we got the action camera back out so we could show you guys, because we didn't think we could bring GoPros. But you can.
At least on this.
On this. So the other rides though, you cannot bring them.
Excuse me. Whee! It's so fast.
All right, guys. Huge wave coming.
Oh, hang on.
It's about to get a bumpy ride. Now there's this huge wave, and we're right here. It's crazy. Let's see if it comes.
Not this time.
Not this time. I promise there's a huge wave.
It'll come.
Here it comes,
Here
guys.
it comes.
It's huge.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Woo!
I'm having so much fun. Like, we did this earlier, but this is cool. This is cool.
Ah, I love it. I'd say it's relaxing, but this one's not. There is another one. You just have a tube. Ah!
you want to go again, you can, but we're going to get out because we're a little hungry, get some food, and I don't know, you want to end the vlog? Guys, we're going to get out here, but...
We can the next spot.
Oh, we can get out in the next spot. So guys,
we'll float down and
as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Bye. Bye.